You finally get a day off. You're at the beach, the sun is bright, the waves are crashing, and as you open your beach umbrella, a puff of dust escapes. The colors look faded, the fabric feels sticky. You spot salt marks, bird droppings, even some mold growing underneath. And then you realize, when was the last time I actually cleaned this umbrella? It's not just dirt, it's neglect. Before we dive into the story of what's really happening to your beach umbrella, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel, because what you're about to learn might just save your umbrella, and possibly your next beach trip. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free top 10 cleaning products guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. Let's rewind for a second. Think about your beach umbrella. It's more than shade. It's a symbol of rest. It's your little patch of comfort in a wide, open, chaotic world. It's there during family vacations, weekend getaways, and spontaneous road trips to the coast. And yet, we almost never clean it. The salty air, the blowing sand, the seagull droppings, all of it collects on the umbrella. And slowly, silently, it starts to break down. By the time most people notice the damage, it's often too late. But not for you, because today, we're going to reverse the clock. Step 1. Emotional reset. This isn't just a cleaning job. Cleaning your beach umbrella is not about removing stains. It's about restoring a memory, something that has stood over you, quite literally, during the happiest moments of your summer. So, before you begin, open the umbrella fully in a sunny, open space. Your backyard, driveway, or terrace will work. Now pause and look at it. The wear and tear isn't just physical, it's emotional. But don't worry, we're about to bring it back. Step 2. The gentle but powerful cleaning solution. Beach umbrellas are made of durable, weather-resistant fabric, but even they need care. Avoid harsh chemicals. Instead, make this safe DIY mix. 1 liter warm water, 1 tablespoon mild dish soap, 2 tablespoons white vinegar, optional, a few drops of lemon juice for scent and added cleaning power. Dip a soft sponge or cloth in the solution and gently scrub the fabric in circular motions. Start from the outer edges and move inward. Focus especially on seams, corners, and areas under bird droppings or salt marks. You'll begin to notice something beautiful, the original color peeking through. That moment, it feels like magic. Step 3. Rinse the past away. Once you've scrubbed the surface, it's time to rinse away the dirt, grime, and memories of that one seagull who ruined your lunch. But here's the twist. Don't use a pressure washer. The force can damage stitching and fabric coating. Instead, take a garden hose or a large bucket of clean water and pour gently over the umbrella. Let the water carry away the filth of countless summers, quite literally. Watch as the dirt runs off in streaks. You'll be shocked at how much comes out. Step 4. Drying. Let the sun do its job. Here's where most people go wrong. They close the umbrella while it's still damp, which creates the perfect conditions for mold to return. Instead, leave the umbrella open and standing in direct sunlight for 4 to 6 hours. The UV rays naturally kill bacteria and dry out the fabric evenly. You'll not only preserve the structure, but eliminate any lingering smells. While it dries, you might feel a quiet sense of satisfaction, a rare, peaceful reward for doing something right. Bonus step, the forgotten frame. While the fabric gets most of the attention, the metal frame of your umbrella also suffers. Salt air causes rust. Sand clogs the joints, and over time, your once smooth umbrella becomes hard to open and close. Take a dry cloth and wipe down the metal arms and pole. For rust spots, gently rub with a bit of baking soda paste and rinse. Then apply a small amount of WD-40 or silicone spray to the moving parts. Open and close the umbrella a few times to let it spread evenly. Suddenly, the whole umbrella moves smoother, feels lighter, just like new. What if you never cleaned it? Now imagine what happens if you skip this care. The fabric starts tearing at the seams. Mold eats through the color. The metal parts corrode and jam. If this video brought back memories or taught you something new, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Click the link below to gain access to our free community.